Got a real interesting one for you today, guys. We got all of our stone base in. We came back after a heavy rainstorm and realized we have quite a sinkhole on our hands. Now, thank goodness this rain came and this sinkhole was discovered before the papers were laid, or we would have had quite a problem. Anyway, the soil is extremely soft. As we stick a pin in there, we realize we can just go down and down, so we're not sure what it is. It's a perfect circle, which is a bit odd, so there's got to be something under there. So our plan is going to be dig as deep as we can until we hit something rock solid and then reassess from there. We got our post hole diggers because we still aren't hitting anything solid. This mud is very loose. It just sinks. It's like quicksand. It just sucks you right in. So clearly we got to remove all this and test around. The sides are good. It's just the depth. We got to keep going down. We haven't hit a solid base yet. Now we have a solid 4 feet below ground. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray the hole with water. We're going to get bags of high-strength concrete mix. We're going to dump them in there like it's a fence post till we're 3/4 of the way up. Then we're going to be mixing the rest of that cement after we wet all that. It's the closest we'll ever come to a dry pour. We're going to be spanning across rebar to help hold up the concrete. So that entire hole we're choosing to fill with concrete, span across so that the top 6 to 8 inches is all the way across that hole so it will not sink or settle. We're going to let it sit for a full day. We're going to come back, make sure nothing sunk and it's fine. We're going to pull our base back across over it. We're going to spread it, another 6 inches of stone on top. We're going to clean the stone off, and then we're going to get a compactor and we're going to run the compactor over this just to be sure. And then we're going to let it sit another day before we put our bedding on. And we're going to keep it marked with that pin you see right there so we can monitor it. This is a good quick fix and an easy one, we think.